Hello student, in this session we are going to learn about our feather wings. So as we all know about that, Earth is only one planet has living things on it. So we come to know about that living things include plants, humans and animals. Okay, so there are the three types of animals around us. Namely, it is the birds, bats and insects. You can see in front have you have a pictures that here you have the birds, insects and one more pictures you have a bats. So these all three animals have a specific organs to fly, to adapt in the fly. So they have a light body, that's why they are easily fly in the sky. They are easily fly in the sky. The bird's whole body is designed to a flight. Okay, this is the skeleton of birds. You can see here you have a pictures and the labeling of the skeleton: skull, wing bone, tailbone, leg bone, breastbone. Birds have bones that are partly hollow to reduce weight. Birds को बोन रहते हैं but वो reduce weight करने के लिए, that's why they are easily or able to fly in the sky. Tail helps to them change direction while flying. Tail क्या helps करती है? Direction flight. Now the first part is the wings. All birds have a different wings and wings helps us to fly. Wings helps us to fly. Now second one, it is the feathers. Okay, so there are the three kinds of feathers: down feathers, flight feathers and tail feathers. So first of all we need to know about that what is meant by the feather. So bird's feather is made from the same material as our nail fingers. Okay, nail fingers. So three kinds of feathers are here. Down feathers. So what is the use of down feathers? Because down feathers keep the body warm of the birds. Flight feathers, which is the most form in a wings. Flight feather, it is the which form most of the wings, and flight feathers, it is help to the fly. It is help to the fly in the sky. And tail feathers, which are using for balancing, steering. Okay, and the body feathers, it is used to give the shape of the birds of streamline shape. Now a bird's feathers means bird's body are a lot of means thousands, more than 1,000 feathers are present in their bodies, and the feathers and the wings are the most important or obvious parts in the birds. So a large swan can have a more than 25,000 feathers. Means swan के ऊपर 25,000 feathers रहते हैं. Other hand, hummingbirds can have 1,000 feathers. Okay, now which birds are eating grains and seeds? So you can see in the picture, sparrow and pigeon eat the grains and seeds, and finch also. Now eating fish birds are the kingfisher and heron. Fruit chilies, it is the parrots and macaw. Third one is the eat flesh birds are the eagle and owl, because they have a sharp or broad beak. They can tear easily the prey. Now flamingo, it is the broad beak and the suck nectar flowers, it is the hummingbirds and sunbirds. Now insect, fruit, seeds and other animals, it's the only crow. Crow, it is called as the scavengers birds. Now hoopoe and the woodpecker. Now insects, which birds eat insect? Warbler. Now we are going to learn about the nest. Okay, so birds don't make their permanent home like us. They make nest to play their eggs. Every birds have built the nest in its own way. So you can see even some birds build not a nest, so they can choose the particular place which they lay eggs on it. Okay, so birds can build the nest on high tree, on the ground, below the ground, cliffs, otherwise mountain. Okay, so you have heard that the robin birds lays the eggs alongside the roads. Means different kinds of birds lays eggs means again build nest in different its own way. Now you can see here the weaver birds. So weaver birds build the nest. They can use the more twigs and more leaves to make their nest, and they make a entrance hole to go in and out. Now second one, it is the tailor birds. So beak of the tailor bird, it works as a needles. They sew their nest with the help of this beak. You can see in the pictures here you have, and these nests are attached to the plants, otherwise the trees. Now this is called as the guillemot. This one is the guillemot. Guillemot does not build the nest like other birds, but he lays eggs on the bare rocks, like you can see in the picture. This is called as the ostrich, and this is called as the penguin. Penguin is mostly occur in the mountain or hilly region area. Thank you so much. You have seen this video. Definitely about this video you have understood that different kinds of birds have a different lifestyles and different way to make the build the nest. You will be sent soon the question.